Hey there, back on Appalachian Trail south of Daleville. Stayed at Beach Hill last night, and they just opened this year, but man, it was really good and only 25 bucks. They had actual mattresses. I say that because most of the mattresses in the bunkhouses along the AT, at least that I've seen, are like child's mattresses, not in size but in thickness, and I feel like they have like that waterproof liner, and they're just like, they're not comfortable. But these were real. This is a real mattress, and you can tell. So that was good. It's only 25 bucks for the night. It included breakfast, and then I did laundry with like 3 other hikers, which was only $5, split a few ways. So yeah, great stay. And if you didn't know this already, the hostels and accommodation, like lodging stuff, gets a lot cheaper down south. So if you're budgeting, like I know they say $1,000 a month on the AT, I'd say you'll spend more than that, maybe a little bit more than that in the north. But when you're going south, if you're just staying in bunkhouses and hostels, I think it's like 25, 30 bucks a night. So you definitely save. I did resupply, as you can see the little plastic thing back there. Bringing bagels on trail. Also brought hummus and cream cheese again. So I love that it's colder. You can bring this stuff out and it's not going to get funky. Just another reason why cold weather hiking is better, in my opinion. But yeah, just having a great day so far. I don't say enough like how much I'm enjoying this, but yeah, just woke up this morning, had coffee, breakfast, relax, called my dad. Yeah, just got to talk to Elise last night for a good hour on the phone. Yeah, so morale's really good, just enjoying every second out here. And today's a huge day because I'm going to do Tinker Cliffs and McAfee Knob. So it's McAfee Knob day. There's a Virginia Triple Crown, which is Tinker Cliffs, McAfee Knob, and Dragon's Tooth. Not doing Dragon's Tooth today, that'll be tomorrow. But it's a great weather day for McAfee Knob, so should get some good views up there if everything holds. And yeah, that's like something people look forward to all trail. So that is today, so keep watching for McAfee Knob pictures and video. So I'm only a few miles into the day, but getting some great views. Look at this. Just up on some rocky ledges, and got a beautiful lake down there. Yeah, so the trail's kind of been like this today so far. And yeah, just look at that. Views. I just haven't had views like that in a long time. Even like views with a lake in the background, being higher up, you know, you don't really get those views. So Virginia's, I think, slowly moving up my list of states. I mean, it's huge. Virginia's huge. I think it's around 600 miles or over. So there's a lot to work with, but they seem to like show you good stuff, which is, I can't say the same for all the other states. But yeah, look, I'm just walking through, and some great views, even with the changing leaves too. Let's see if I go down here, if there'll be anything else. Yeah, every few steps around here, there's something else. So, trail is pretty much looked the same as the last time that I picked it up. Still some real nice fall colors. I'm just coming from town. You can see like my pack is filled up pretty good. The next town is Parisburg, Virginia. 90 something miles away, so you know, 4 days, but I always get like at least another half or a full day, so I have like 5 days of food on me. And yeah, just having this pack, it makes this so much easier because I'm not hold on, there's an overlook over here. Nice. Cool. I'll sit down here and then do my spiel. Yeah, just having a bigger pack that can handle more weight just makes everything so much easier. This is an unbelievable view. Yeah, if I had to do it again, and probably what I recommend to other people doing through hiking or longer backpacking. I mean, I've done the frameless. I started with a frameless 38-liter pack. I'd say I'd use that for summer ultralight trips. 2 days, 2-3 days. Longer trips, I think like a 48-liter framed pack would be the way to go. I know there's some companies that make some like really good lightweight under 2 pound framed packs that are in that 48-liter range, and it just helps so much. Yeah, it just takes all the weight, the nice frame system, and then the extra volume helps, like if you want to pack out bagels, or if there's a cold spell and you want to bring a little bit extra clothes. The people that I was hiking with, they're still, I think, lighter than me now. So they've been calling me ultra heavy because I was ultra light and now I'm ultra heavy. I'm taking all the crap with me. Yeah, but you know, in the bigger pack, like you don't feel the weight, so you can take more stuff and enjoy the time. Like my coffee setup is definitely unnecessary. I don't need a pour over setup, but it weighs like a few ounces more. It brings me happiness. My new pillow, 2 ounces. Should have had it from the start. I bring more food than most people now because I like eating. Yeah, so just like another comment on ultralight. Before the trail, I was like, this is going to help me so much, and I bet it did, but you don't have to be crazy ultralight if your pack can handle a little bit more weight. So yeah, again, something in the 48-liter range, around 2 pounds and framed, I think is the way to go, so you can fit stuff and still be kind of light but not miserable. So I'm coming up on area by Tinker Cliffs, and wow, look at these views. Just unbelievable views. Sorry, got really close to the camera there. Really good views, really windy. This section around Tinker Cliffs is like one of the more beautiful sections I've seen on trail. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking it up, but you can really see like this clear divide and this valley straight in the middle. And you can just see it perfectly clear from this ridge today. So Tinker Cliffs, man, these are spectacular. Alright, I really hate to do it because these things are disgusting, but here's the snake content. Gross, black. Those things are gross. Alright, that's it.
Probably got the weak good one. I have a pretty good
Literally next to I'm not that. Alright, tent cam. End of the day was good. McAfee Knob was awesome. Spent it with same old group. Lime time, puzzles, last minute. Made it to camp just like a mile and a half south of McAfee Knob, and we immediately saw 2 bears, which was awesome. And last minute kind of like scared them away in the woods. I think I got some footage, but it was dark. We had our headlamps, we could see it. Couldn't really film it, but first like bears on trail, so that was cool. Yeah, and then we just ate with, there's a lot of day hikers and section hikers around here, so some guys from Ohio were just in the shelter. Tents propped up, like 3 tents popped up in the shelter. Haven't seen that yet. So we all just camped outside the shelter and still had dinner with them and stuff, so yeah, that was good. And I'm in the tent. You can see my pillow here. Hold on. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. That is my new pillow that's just stuffed with all my my clothes, so I am loving that thing. I'm sleeping so well. So I'm about to turn in. Probably should turn the headlamp off because I got like 3-4 days till the next town and need the battery. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the extra tent footage, and take care. Have a good night. Yep.
That's going right towards our
That's
bags.
right towards, yeah.
No, that's where our bags are.